Vlogmas video. Today's video is the video that I know a lot of you are probably doing right now, and that is decluttering and cleaning your space. I know in a lot of colors and African households, yeah, that week before Christmas is when you are washing windows, you are washing curtains, you're washing all the bedding. Some people are washing roofs. I know, I've heard those stories. And one of the worst things I honestly hated in my household, or when I was living with my parents, was our kitchen cupboards. We had so much kitchen cupboards, and they were deep kitchen cupboards, eh? And even last year I was still doing it for my mother, but this year the days aren't falling so liquor, so I'm still working until the 23rd, and I work in the afternoon, so I can't exactly go there. But I'm so happy I'm not there, because it really tires you out. There's a few things that I've neglected over the months, and it's just life, you know, you just do it. So for one is the oven needs a proper clean. But today I decided to tackle this household over 2 days. I'm gonna do the kitchen and I'm gonna do the lounge, and if there's time, maybe this evening I'll do the bathroom. But I feel like I need to do the bathroom early morning because I want to really get the grime off the tiles that's on there. But yeah, let's start in the kitchen. Oops. I have a list of what things I need to do for the kitchen and the lounge, and it's obviously decluttering, taking everything out, wiping down all the cupboard, putting it back in, looking at things that expired, I no longer need or want in the house, I don't use it. So yeah, let's get going with the week of cleaning. As you can see under the sink, there is just grime I need to wipe out. Not really here, but the toasters here, so I have to get that out and just clean the cupboards. Okay, so I cleaned these compartments. These are acrylic bins, and at the back is backstock of cleaning supplies. These are my everyday cleaning stuff, and then this compartment is things that I don't reach for often, like my oven cleaner and the mold buster and window cleaner. And then at the bottom, if you've been here long enough, you'll know that our bathroom doesn't have any storage, so this actually is where I keep the back stuff of our like skincare and things that we use for the bathroom. So this acrylic basket holds all our extra toothpaste and masks and face cloths and soaps, and then at the back is back stock again. I cleaned it up quite nicely and then went through this little basket that has like our dishcloths and stuff, and then those are things that I'm getting rid of, as well as that. And then our toaster, I actually want to scrub and clean it out, so I'm leaving it here. What's the best way to clean this? How would I clean this? I've never cleaned it before.
What is that?
It's this where the stove is.
Oh!
But it clips out.
Oh, I normally put like handy on there and just use a sponge with it.
When you have to find your mother to ask how to clean this damn thing. I've never cleaned it before. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the drawers because then it's still within this area, and then I'll move from that side there because the oven it's gonna take some time. I saw a few people clip this out, but yeah, if it is home, the uit the clippy. Oh wait, I don't know. No, I'm not gonna try it. I'm just gonna, can you see? Oh, I'm so embarrassed to show you guys, but gonna need to clean that. Oh, wow, look at all this expired medicines and stuff. And it's a good thing, like, if you have time, go through your medicine cabinet. These are like so old. Here's a few here, and it's now looking quite good. nice. I love this, I don't know what to call it, a shelf riser. I got mine at Macro. I don't think you get this rose color anymore, but I think you might get the white one because I have a white one. But if you've got an awkward cupboard like this, then these are perfect. And oh, look how nice is this. Oh, clean, clean, clean. Okay, the plates, bowls and mugs and glasses, this section is done. So I've got the last one to do. All the cupboards are done now. I'm so exhausted. I literally have a headache. And my video is actually exporting now. So fingers crossed that I can upload it tonight. And then there's potentially 2 videos still going up, which is this one and maybe the last one, maybe on Christmas Eve even. I don't know, but I'm really pushing it. I couldn't get to the oven and the stove, but I'm gonna clean the microwave quickly. But I'm now making supper and I'm gonna make some chop, and then there is chips in the air fryer, and I've got a tikka chicken salad in the fridge. So I'm very excited to make food. Good morning, and day 2 of trying to clean this apartment. I've literally have not made any significant progress other than just cleaning the cupboards. You cannot pass, Courtney.
I know.
So Courtney needs to take off the curtains in the bedroom. Like I said, we're trying to do the curtains in stages. I think I might just wash the windows like 2 days before Christmas, hoping that the weather is still gonna stay the way it is in Cape Town. But I'm moving it to the side quickly. I've done that part of this cupboard. Now I just do this one because as you saw, the vacuum cleaner died yesterday. So I need to clean this. Couldn't actually move this cupboard away for me so I can vacuum quickly at the back. Let's get going. Look at my hair. But I'm quickly having a little break. I'm having some mango and pineapple that I bought, and I'm quickly just gonna do some work. I'm like uploading and doing a few tasks from my actual job. So I just mop the floors, and then once it's done, I don't know about this mat though, because I bought mat, like a carpet air freshener type thing, and I actually want to sprinkle it on the mat and then this side is done. I mopped, cleaned, dust, actually cleaned my wine rack. These 2 wines, I think they expired, so they're quite sour. I cleaned all the wine bottles. I decided to put my plant at the back. I just need to wipe down this. The back looks nice and clean, and I wiped all the wires and cleaned here, and I decluttered in there. Okay, the floor is drying, but this is the wall that I spoke about that we're gonna paint, because as you can see, it's got quite a mark here. Courtney said he'll paint this for me. I think before Christmas, so I'm hoping it does. The bedroom, I have to do it in stages. I have to move, because usually in the past, Courtney would help me take the bed out or like lift it, but I'm alone, so I'm gonna kind of shift the bed from side to side, vacuum up, and then who knew that cupboards are so dusty? Wow, like it was really dusty. The cupboards are done. I just took all the clothes out and stuff, and I wiped it down so it smells nice. And I've got this air freshener and I'm gonna leave here in the cupboard so that this cupboard smells, you know, a little bit nice. So these are the books that I have now decluttered. I know I'm not going to read them at all. This was a particularly shitty book, so I'm going to put this in a pile. It is almost 7 o'clock and the house is officially done to the best that I can, because it is actually quite a lot if you think about it. If you're turning the entire apartment upside down, the only like one area that's not done is the bathroom, and it's because there is mold on the ceiling, and it's throughout the ceiling. Actually, it's not bad, it's just normal mold in the bathroom. For the tiles, I actually want to scrub and do a thorough job, like get all the gunk out, but Courtney actually needs to help me with this one. But for the most part, all the rooms are done. Only thing I need to do in here is my desk area. I need to just go through these drawers, and then obviously the Dyson died for the multiple time today. I just need to vacuum this part and then I'm officially done. Oh yes, and then I have to do the windows, but the windows I'm gonna do on Thursdays. And then the oven I still need to do. I realized that the oven cleaner was done because Courtney, he was the last one who cleaned the oven the last time. You put an empty bottle back, and obviously I just assumed that that bottle was still done. That's about it. I'm really tired, and also the internet was down for half the day. Actually from like 1 o'clock it was down. It literally only went on at 5:30. So I've got a lot of work to catch up on. Thank you guys so much for watching another Vlogmas video. I know it was just a cleaning video, but I hope it motivated you. Maybe you've cleaned already, maybe you are gonna only start doing some cleaning in the new year. I need to take my own advice and start cleaning every 3 months or so that by the time it comes December, I'm not cleaning every single item in this house. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to watch more of my videos. I think there's one more video coming up before Christmas, and I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna take a break or not, but I know that the first week of January we are going on a road trip, so there's gonna be a lot of travel content coming in 2022. So I hope you guys subscribe, like, comment, and thank you so much for your support. I always appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.